It's your girl Susie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because this dress is like too cute. Like, come on, come through, Walmart. But I will be showing y'all how I got this dress, and y'all, I tried something new today with the little scrunching or whatever you want to call it on the side. You get scrunch up look, super cute. But if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, so before we get into it, this is the before and after. Y'all know I gotta twerk. Do it like it's my b-day. Hey babe, do it like but now we're gonna get straight into the video. So here's the shirt. I believe I got this in a 3X. Yep, a 3X for $11.97 at Walmart, y'all, my favorite spot. So I'm using this dress, and y'all, at this moment right here, that's when I realized that I need to go ahead and get me the chalk pen, because my chalk, like trying to control it like this, it's not working. But anyways, I'm gonna go a couple inches away from where I'm tracing at, just to be on the safe side, so I can make sure I can fit the dress, because that dress is stretchy. The material on the t-shirt is stretchy as well. But yeah, so I'm only gonna go up to the underarm part. So y'all, I put my tape measure right here so I can kind of like make sure it's even on both sides. And basically where the underarms is, you're gonna go ahead and draw like a line, a slanted line going up. And I kind of already did it, if you can see. Of course you can't see that one because it's white right there, but I did it on both sides already. So now basically what we're gonna do is like kind of finesse the top and just go up with our line slanted, and then we can kind of see how we want it from there. Okay y'all, so on this part, after we get the curve, we're just gonna literally draw a straight line up like so. And over here I am just gonna go slanted all the way up, and then once I cut it, I can cut off the extra fabric if need be. But right now I am literally kind of like eyeballing it, and of course once it's cut off, y'all, that's it. So make sure y'all cut enough so y'all can play with it first. So yeah. Okay, so right here I am going to cut off some more because the top of it is too big, but I'm gonna keep cutting until I get my desired look. Okay y'all, so now I'm going to cut out two pieces of 20-inch, and I believe you need it to be like 2.5 inches wide or 2 inches, either or. And y'all, clearly it does not have to be perfect. These are going to be under the dress for the scrunchy look. So now that that's done, we're going to need two more pieces of 30 inches. And we're going to just use these for the straps that goes into the scrunch part. So y'all, this is the dress. I am literally going to take the top of the dress first, and I'm going to hem it. That's all that we need to do for hemming. Thank God. So I got the front and the back of the top of the dress hemmed. So now basically, since we're done with that, all we gotta do is sew up the sides of the dress. So basically put them together like so, of course inside out, and basically sew straight up. Okay, so this is literally our last step. So we're going to go on the sides of the dress, and those two pieces that I was telling you guys about, the 20-inch pieces, we are going to put that on the seam. Like, try to center it, it'll be better. So I'm going to go in all the way up with the pins like I'm doing right here. It doesn't really have to be perfect. This is just basically forming the lines of where you're going to sew it. So it's going to be 3 lines. And at the top, as you can see me right here, I'm going to put the pins up here so I can make it as like a U shape. But you'll see in the next video clip. So where the pins are, there's going to be 2 lines, and then we're going to do the U, and where I just ran my finger through, we're going to put a line right down the center. So as I sew, I just literally just take the pins out as I go. So right here, y'all literally just gonna start curving the dress so that you can get the U at the top. And be careful because you want to make it wide enough, because I am going to be using a safety pin. So my safety pin did get stuck because it was a little too big, but it still worked out. I just was struggling with it a little bit. Okay, y'all, so these are the 2 lines right here. So now I am literally just gonna go down the center of those 2 lines, but we're not gonna sew all the way up. Matter of fact, here it is right here. This is the top. So I'm stopping right here, and then I'm gonna go back and forth with my thread so it can be sturdy, and literally that's it. Now you just want to attach your safety pin to the bottom of the string, and as you can see, I just pulled it and it makes it look like a strap already. So just stretch it out. So basically I'm just stuffing it all the way around until it comes out on the side like so. Remove your pin, and there you go. Y'all, if I knew this was this easy, oh my god, I was so happy, as y'all can see, because I accomplished something new today. All right now, y'all. Okay, because it's giving, right? This dress is giving. This is the final and finishing look. Cause come through, Walmart, come through. $11.97, bitch. Where? I love it, y'all. Oh my god. Hold on, let me show y'all. Even though y'all already seen it, but let me show y'all again. Look at these are the little scroogeon scruffy thingies. The dress already too short, but this was just a take, okay? I don't really need it for this dress, but Yeah, my camera down, so I don't know where I left off at. But I think I was talking about the screws, and this dress is already short. But like I said, this was just a test run, a practice run on these. Ah, you okay? Best friend just hit her head, y'all. But this is a test run. And it's super easy. I will be doing this a little more with some more stuff, but I'm excited. I learned something new today. I finished this in one day, couple hours, and some leak. Y'all, why must I play all day? But y'all, that's it. I'm actually finna go. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. I like to have tacos every Tuesday, cause who don't like tacos? I can eat tacos every day, honestly, but we ain't gonna get on that. But if you like this dress, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all got some ideas, y'all hit me up on my social media so y'all can let me know, because okay. But no, for real, y'all, that's all I have for y'all. Hold on, let me get back up here, because I just feel like I'm, hold on, I'm back. But yeah, y'all, yo, my tripod do not want to work for me today. But yeah, y'all, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And like I said, let me know what y'all want me to create next. But if y'all don't let me know, I'm just gonna come up with something anyways. Y'all watch it. But period. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm out. Peace. I love you guys. Bye.